So, welcome to this video. This video is mainly for US people to understand how you can download Where Winds Meet Chinese version. You just need to go to this website, baidu.com, and then search on there. You're gonna have to copy paste what I've left in the uh, description section below. Because if your computer doesn't know how to type Mandarin characters, then you can't search it up, obviously. And then you just want to look for the first or second link, whichever one brings you to this page. And then you look at the PC download. You download that. That should be your launcher once it finishes downloading. It's gonna take a while, but once it's finished downloading, you should be able to just open the exe file in downloads and start installing, and just press yes. It's asking for permissions to install, and yeah, it's installing now. Here we go. It's gonna ask you to update the installer, so just click on the right button to confirm. I don't know why someone who doesn't speak Mandarin would play this game, but it is what it is. I'm still making this video either way because I'm interested in this Chinese version. And you can choose, the top is like the speed version, and then the bottom is the regular version. I'm gonna download the speed version because my computer is not the most powerful. It only has a RTX 3050 in it. So once you click download like that, it'll verify your files currently on your computer and start downloading. So I pull up Task Manager to check the internet usage. And it looks like the verification is almost done. For anyone who doesn't know, the Chinese version of the Where of Winds Meet has a lot more content on it, and is just overall a better game. It runs way better on my computer. So, yeah, this is the reason I'm getting it. I do have the global version through Steam, but it doesn't really run well on this computer. Seems like it has a lot of throttling and optimization problem. It's unable to utilize my GPU fully. So once it finishes downloading the update, you should go to this screen and it should show you this option, and you just need to click enter the game, which is that big golden button right there. Once you click it, it's the same thing. Once you enter the game, it is pretty much the same as the global version. You just need to make an account, log in. However, I do believe the Chinese version requires you to have a ID, so that might be an issue for you. If you want to play this game, you have to have a ID, and it cannot be a driver's ID in the US or another country. It has to be a Chinese ID. I'm not sure if you can just use an email address. This is mainly done to protect, let's say, minors or underage kids from playing this game too much. I think this is how they enforce it in China. Enforce strict playtime and that kind of stuff. But yeah, here it is. Well, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video.